The internet has become an integral part of our daily lives, and it's not uncommon to find yourself spending hours browsing the web or using social media. While the internet has many benefits, it's also important to be aware of the risks associated with online activity. Hackers, identity thieves, and other cyber criminals are constantly looking for ways to steal your personal information, and it's up to you to protect yourself. In this article, we'll provide you with tips and tricks for staying safe online and keeping your personal information secure. What is personal information and why is it important to protect it? Your personal information is any information that can be used to identify you, such as your name, address, email address, and financial information. Personal information is valuable to cyber criminals because it can be used for identity theft, fraud, and other illegal activities. By protecting your personal information, you can prevent these types of crimes from happening to you. How to stay safe online, tips and tricks for protecting your data. Here are some tips and tricks for staying safe online and keeping your personal information secure. Use strong passwords. A strong password is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your personal information online. Make sure your passwords are at least 12 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as your name or date of birth, in your password. Keep software up to date. Keeping your software up to date is another important step in protecting your personal information online. Software updates often include security fixes, so make sure to install them as soon as they become available. Be careful what you download. Be cautious about what you download from the internet, as downloading malicious software can compromise your personal information. Only download software from reputable sources and make sure to scan any downloads for viruses before installing them. Use antivirus software. Using antivirus software is one of the best ways to protect your personal information online. Antivirus software can detect and remove viruses and other malicious software from your computer, helping to keep your personal information safe. Use two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security that requires you to provide two forms of identification before logging into your account. This can include a password and a code sent to your phone, or a fingerprint and a password. Using two-factor authentication can help to prevent unauthorized access to your personal information. Be careful what you share online. Be mindful of what you share online, as sharing too much personal information can make you a target for cyber criminals. Avoid sharing sensitive information, such as your social security number or financial information, on social media or other public websites. Be wary of phishing scams. Phishing scams are emails or messages that appear to be from a trusted source, but are actually from cyber criminals. These scams can trick you into providing your personal information, so be cautious when receiving emails or messages from unknown sources. Always verify the source before providing any personal information and be wary of emails or messages that ask for sensitive information. Staying safe online is essential in today's digital world. By following these tips and tricks for protecting your personal information, you can reduce the risk of becoming a victim of cybercrime. Always be cautious when using the internet, be mindful of what you share online, and use antivirus software and two-factor authentication to help keep your personal information secure. Remember, taking a few simple steps can go a long way in protecting your personal information online and keeping you safe. By following these tips and tricks for how to stay safe online, tips and tricks for protecting your data, you can ensure the security of your personal information and stay safe while using the internet. Stay vigilant and stay protected. Techie Tuneup, hit the subscribe button.